Hey, what's up guys? Look at this spatial scene. This is cool, right? But what about this? This is really amazing, right? Guys, recently I'm making videos about iOS 26 spatial scene on Samsung device. But I thought, what if I upgrade this into animated? Then look at this. Guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create this animated spatial scene on your any Galaxy device. So let's begin. Okay guys, first you can see spatial scene on my Galaxy device, and I already making videos about how to create this spatial scene on your any Galaxy device, and this is absolutely free. This tutorial video download link available on description. Guys, you should watch that video first and create this spatial scene on your Galaxy device. And after create this spatial scene on your Galaxy device, then watch this video. Because in this video I am only show you how to upgrade your spatial scene into animated. Okay guys, first you can see this app download link available on description. First you have to download this app on your Galaxy device. Guys, first you can see I have many ocean GIF images like this. This is in GIF format. This is in PNG GIF format, and these all GIFs download link available on description. First go to lock screen, tap and hold, and simply go to lock star. Guys, remember, before start you have to download good lock and upgrade all plugins include lock star. Then simply tap on add widget, go to live widget, and remember, choose GIF widget. Tap on GIF widget. Now select these GIF files from gallery. Now you can see I select this GIF file. Simply widget radius set 0, tap on done, and set these GIF files like this. You also increase or decrease size. After set, simply tap on done, and after follow all these steps, you can see your spatial scene convert into animated. I will show you another one. Okay guys, look at this another image. Guys, first tap and hold, and remember, you only add one GIF with this app. Simply adjust and tap on done. This is really looking awesome, right? You also change clock, like this. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have enjoyed this video, then like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching guys. See you in next video. Bye bye.